Let's quickly talk about factoring. And I'm not talking about, factoring your regular trinomials. Those ones, we'll review it as they come up, but I am confident that a lot of you guys remember that stuff. I'm talking about factoring with identities, meaning the difference of squares, difference of cubes, and sum of cubes. So just a quick reminder, these are really good things to commit to memory for this course, okay? Difference of squares looks like this. When you have a squared minus b squared, that is a minus b times a plus b. You can go the other way as well. So if you're given a minus b times a plus b, we can go back and say it's a squared minus b squared. Difference of cubes looks like this. A cubed minus b cubed. Since it's a minus, our first term is going to have a minus. It's a minus b. And the second term, they're all going to be positives. So it's a squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay, so the sign here, these are opposite signs. Sum of cubes, okay, we have an a cubed plus a b cubed. Since it's a plus between them, in my first bracket, I'm going to have a plus. It's a plus b. And then again, same thing, these two signs have to be opposite. So I'm going to end up in my second bracket, a squared minus ab plus b squared. So let's try to put these in practice. We want to factor x squared minus 4. Well, this is the same as x squared minus 2 squared, which is a difference of two different squares. So this is going to give me a plus b times a minus b. So it's x plus 2 times x minus 2. That's it. Okay, let's look at this next one. This is x cubed, so it's a cubic, minus 3 cubed. So this is a difference of cubes. So it's going to give me my a minus b, so x minus 3, times my a squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay, remember, these signs are opposites. That's how I like to memorize my difference and sum of cubes. Okay, this third one, let's take a look. I have an x plus 1 cubed, looks like something about cubes, plus, I can rewrite this as a cubed, a 2 cubed. So now this is a sum of cubes. So I'm going to get something plus something in my first bracket, and that is a plus b, so it's x plus 1 plus 2. And then I'm going to flip the sign around. So my second bracket's going to have a negative inside. So it's going to be my a squared minus ab plus b squared. And this one I have a little bit more room for simplifying. In the first bracket, x plus 1 plus 2, that's x plus 3. In the second bracket, I can expand this by doing x plus 1 times x plus 1. If you do that and simplify, you're going to get x squared plus 2x plus 1. Multiplying this negative 2 into the second bracket, you get negative 2x minus 2 plus 4. One last simplifying step, grouping like terms. We're going to get an x squared. Notice over here, I have a 2x minus a 2x, so those cancel. And then we're left with the constants 1 minus 2, which is negative 1, plus 4, which is 3. Okay, last up. I see something to the power of 4. None of my identities had a 4 in it, but I can rewrite this as squares. This is x squared squared minus 4 squared. Now we see that this is just a difference of squares. So I have a squared minus b squared. This is my a, this is my b. It's going to give me a minus b, which is x squared minus 4, times a plus b, which is x squared plus 4. Oh, look over here. I have another difference of squares. This is x squared minus 2 squared. So I can use difference of squares again. This is going to give me x minus 2 times x plus 2 times x squared plus 4.